is your First Alert 5 weather with Alan Rose.
And welcome back, everyone. Well, the cold front came into southern Colorado a little earlier than expected. Looks like the winds picked up here in the Rock Rimmon area between 7 and 8 p.m. It's still pretty strong out there. Maybe not as strong as behind the initial blast of the front, but still sustained around 18, gusting around 30 to 40 in the Springs. Temperatures are slowly cooling down, but the coldest air lagging a little behind that initial frontal boundary. Still 76 in Pueblo, but look at the strong wind here. You're right up against the front. The trees moving around out there at the Riverwalk tonight, sustained around 34 miles per hour, gusting even higher than that. So this line right here designates the cold front. You can see it's now pushing south into Custer County. The modeling pushes it down towards New Mexico by midnight. So it is a fast moving frontal system. Lots of energy, lots of dense cold air to work with. And I think the strongest winds are probably going to occur until about 2, 3 in the morning. Then they should start to weaken just a bit. We get a little more of an easterly flow as we head into Tuesday afternoon. Strong winds over the mountains, but this easterly upslope is going to help to intensify some of these snow bands as we make our way into Tuesday afternoon and Tuesday night. Now, with the wind tonight, under high wind warnings for Pueblo, El Paso counties, Crowley and Otero counties, this is in effect until 7 a.m. But again, I think the strongest winds do occur within the next 3 to 5 hours. So windy tonight into Tuesday. That's some of these storm headlines we're tracking for you. Looks like we'll see a rain-snow mix early Tuesday. I think most of the precipitation that develops around daybreak or a little after, probably up across northern parts of El Paso County, Pikes Peak region areas, mountains. Then we'll see that spread south, and as the cold air moves in, it'll turn to snow after lunch. Heaviest snow bands still expected Tuesday night into very early Wednesday morning. A lot more advisories and alerts to get through. The purple shading, which does include the Springs and Pueblo. This is a winter weather advisory. You could see more than a half a foot of snow, some spots here. And all this pink, which does include areas north of Colorado Springs, northern parts of El Paso County, up towards Jefferson and Douglas counties, and out west. That is a winter storm warning. And along with the wind, the rain, the snow, some cold air, Gail, one of our viewers, Teller County, wrote me an email and said, please remind the viewers that the domesticated animals that have been sleeping outside in the summer months, bring them in tonight, keep them in for the next few nights because it's going to be very cold. 30s in the Springs on Tuesday, and we are down to the upper 20s Tuesday night into Wednesday morning. So as we time out the arrival of the moisture, you can see again, 7 in the morning, a lot of the snow and rain up across the mountains areas, Palmer Divide up towards Teller County. And then it starts to move south and we get these stronger bands of snow right around 5 to 7 o'clock. I think snowfall rates start to intensify. And that's when we'll likely see the best accumulations, especially for areas under 7,000 feet where it's been really warm the past couple of days. Even Wednesday, some lingering snow showers. But as the moisture starts to pull away, we should start to dry out somewhat heading into Wednesday afternoon and Wednesday evening. These are some updated snowfall maps. Just put these on my social media pages. Again, a little more variability and unpredictability in the lower elevations, but some of the modeling shows higher amounts south of Pueblo. You can see that with the pink shading. I'm saying around 2 to 6 in Pueblo, 3 to 6 Canyon City, around 4 to 8 for Denver, 10 to 15 Ryan, Levita. Let's take a closer look here at the Pikes Peak region. I'm going 5 to 9 for the Air Force Academy, 7 to 11 for the Monument area, upwards of 10 to 14 Cripple Creek, and around 3 to 6 for the Fountain area and the Colorado Springs Airport. Downtown area included in that as well. So your highs tomorrow, they're going to drop about 50 or so degrees from what we saw today. Remember yesterday we set an all-time September record in the Springs at 97. Yeah, I have us down to 37 degrees on Tuesday. There's that big case of weather whiplash Allison was talking about. 38 degrees on Wednesday. As the system pulls away on Thursday, we have 50 degrees with some spotty showers, and then we gradually climb back up to the 70s by the weekend. Pueblo, we are down all the way to the 40s Tuesday into Wednesday with rain snow mix changing to snow Tuesday night and then transitioning back to rain by late Wednesday. Also looking at that rain snow mix Canyon City with 40s for highs, 30s for lows the next few nights, but building back to the 70s by Friday. Woodland Park, highs here in the 30s at the beginning of the 7-day period, back up to near 70. A lot of variety here weather-wise. It is September, but this is a big-time winter storm we are tracking. Allison?